Hi, my name is Paige Collins. I'm currently a senior at Gwen Mercy Academy High School. I first discovered LIM's Fashion Academy when I was searching through the website and researching the college before I applied. And I was really happy to see that LIM had this opportunity because I've heard it being available at other schools, so I was happy I could do it at LIM. I knew I wanted to go into merchandising at LIM, but I wasn't quite positive what that actually entailed. So the course really helped me to deepen and further my interests and have an actual understanding of what I was getting into. I appreciated the opportunity to get to learn and work with people my age from not only across the country, but across the world. And I got to collaborate with them to complete different projects, which I've never done before. And I specifically enjoyed the trend forecasting project we did, where we made mood boards for celebrities we chose in different groups. Advice I would give to a pre-college student is definitely to keep an open mind about what you wish to pursue in college. You could definitely find yourself in a position where you didn't think you would be years prior, and I think it's a good idea to just be able to be adaptable in different circumstances. Thanks!